You know, the Mendel Futterfass, the famed Lubavitch elder, used to tell that when he was in Siberia, playing cards was contraband. But all the guys used to play cards anyway, and from time to time the guards would burst into the jail cell and make a raid. And they strip searched everybody from top to bottom, and they never found those cards. And every time after the guards left, suddenly the cards would reappear and the game continued. And he couldn't figure out where these cards disappeared to. Until one time he was close enough with them and he said, "Where do you place these cards?" And they laughed. They said, "We're professional pickpockets, and there's one place where the guards won't search. They'll look everywhere. But there's one place they'll never imagine that they should look there." You know where? In their own pockets. When the guards would come in, these pickpockets would place those cards into the guard's pocket. And after they searched, on the way out, they just took those cards out of the guard's pocket and started playing again. You know, it's after Pesach now. And there were so many oiris that came down Pesach. Oiris of faith, oiris of inspiration, oiris of going beyond. And then we wonder, what happened to all of these oiris? Where did it go to? You know where? In our own pockets. It remains hidden in the most public place possible, in the most obvious hiding place possible within ourselves. And now after Pesach is the time when we search within ourselves and we say, "Wow, Hashem, I have so much Amunah. I have so much Simcha. I have so much Eliyahu Hanavi moments. I have so much to live with for the rest of the year." Let's search within our own soul pockets today.